Some people, me have a lot to share with you today. Mainly World Dawg. World Dawg jump on him life and address a bunch of things that go on in the media. Address some people, diss some people. All the youth name Pop YG. Boy, World Dawg deal with him wicked, my people. I'm going to share it with you. World Dawg kick him off of him life and make him know straight, say, yo, yeah, hear me, boy. You know, say I talk up some things from what there and such and such and such, because you know, say a Triller the World Dawg come from. And I think, boy, Pops buy a house in a Triller too. You know what I mean? So World Dawg put him in a place and make him know himself. You see me? And boy, my people, Blamdem jump on a live also, and when them a bring down World Dawg and make the people them know, say, yo, you say, look come on, watch me and him. So I'm gonna make on the ear where Blamdem have to say, even all Rosealee get it. You see me, I say from World Dawg, because you know, say when Blamdem did this World Dawg, Miss Triple did jump in, and you know what I mean, Rosealee never did to say nothing towards Miss Triple or defend Miss Triple in a way. You see me, so a lot of people are say Ray about Rosealee, so I'm gonna make you hear that. World Dawg also big up Miss Triple same way, and boy, I'm telling you people, Shibada and Ivany. So Ivany must tell Nicki Minaj not to give Shibada, and Shibada rub out Ivany and her son. Jesus. So here we go with people. We have these things to share, and maybe add more things as we go on, so we could get to unite, you know.
If I war, me stand up anywhere I fight for my blood clot family. Because I any idea me have to stand up for blood clot, Zai mother. Because I'm a blood clot pitney. Me pitney go come up and say, watch ya. Daddy, did you make them disrespect my mother, so? And daddy no do nothing. So any idea me have to stand up for blood clot, Zai mother. Although me and I no plant can. Take care of your youth and go like you want to make your people them size up with them. Go suck your mother too. And everybody around you. Rip. Suck out your mother. No boy can't this Yannick. Yannick, me dead for you. You help change my life. Enough people that come around and see me have and fuck with it. You know say here we gonna do this and do that. You put me on my bum buckled feet. I want to tell your mama, me dey on your blood clot side every minute, Yannick. Some boy no stand up side of them bumbo clot woman side. Me, I go stand up side of bumbo clot. You hear that? You hear that? You boy no care much people then kill. No boy, Yannick. They have got kill me side of you. Yannick, they have got kill me side of you, Yannick. They not disrespect you. No time which part me there. Suck out their mother. Hey boy, Pops. Hey boy, Pops. So me tell you this, no Pops. From what you see, I come disrespect me to you know. From what you see, you want to go like you know, bumbo clot size up in the Pops. Pops, I bet you go on, you know. Bet you bumbo clot go on, because right now, me about suck your mother for telling you, know, Pops. Because me see, hold on, I go like you know, picture, you know. And Pops, you can't disrespect me, you know. And drive through blood clot, fall mouth, I walk up with my name in your bumbo clot mouth, you know. So go on where you going to suck with Pops. Me know, none of you feel like you can ramp with me image on this boy. Move from side of my screen, pussy wall. And anyone who feel like you can ramp with me and walk in a gunshot, pussy wall do no. Size up with my name. You know, no bumbo clot mouth. I don't know why I get mad. I don't want me get mad. Because I get mad at some go on. I don't want nobody size up with me. I want to know nothing I ramp. I don't ramp with people that are going to size up with me. Ramp with me, man. You know what I say? Enough of my people them vex with me right now. But me take the vex here. I feel so good. I feel wonderful. I feel amazing. I feel tremendous. You know what I mean? Triple, me love you. You're a good girl. You're a good girl, Triple. Me love you. Me love you. One falmouth. No boy. I be a shares and show. I make them thing there. Be a shares and show. And disrespect people. I mean a Pops frightened. I mean the Pops fighting. They never know somebody got chips, you know. None of them never know somebody got chips, so. One of them feel like they can walk around me dog and take me for idiot. Bro, you see me? From me get shot, my wallet, bro. You see me? You me? From me get shot, my wallet. Anything when they say about me, my wallet. But you see, when I draw for my family, you could have pick up angry face over here so much time, pussy, go should be angry face in your mother. Or me a pick up for, if I me a pick up for, sorry for tell you about your mother, but if I add a team, go push your angry face then your mother. Brawling. I hears them, a month them a trouble me now. I me not say nothing. You go to my family. The day you say in a dog, you know, so I not say nothing to Yannick whole day. Come here, I said to myself on the internet, say, oh, the pussy them a style me want so. Bro, you know, say, out of some of the dog, I mean, a bonus play for one myself, refresh. TikTok, I want me refresh. Me see Yannick come up on the screen first. Me say, no, this, me left Yannick in my room, in the pink robe, yeah. Such and such. Me say, if I did catch all your live, Yannick, I would have give blood clot phone on karate kick. What are your pussy clot on? I said, let me dealt with this. Cause you know if you go live, you know beg on TikTok. If me did catch Yannick live, I'd have kick your phone out of hand. I said, what the blood clot you do? And then would have turn on the live and then would have walk on. Me would have kick your phone out of hand and I say, hey, Yannick, what you do? You know go live, go talk about nothing. Kill them same way. When me did want you do a jump in your Lamborghini and put your phone on the side of the road and drive it fast. And make it, you know, when you put in a sports and it poop, pop, pop, pop. And when you reach to your phone, you make it poop. And then you pussy. I saw you use kill them. I saw your blood clot use kill them. You should have put your blood clot phone and drive a Lamborghini and make it poop 2 times. Lam. And then your blood clot pussy. And make me deal with the party. Me never want you come live. You know when they see you live. I me never know say they live. Come when I come deal with it. I saw your shit pants on Frownzy girl. So your shit pants on Frownzy girl. Me a wallet how much months? Me a wallet. Wallet people all when me help will come out and still start disrespect me for no reason at all. Me just wallet. Me wallet. One time I soon at this when me going on my discard and try live up my discard and even pay no mind. But it's when it come to family. Me no run mother joke. I me no run sister joke. I me no run woman joke. Cause you see if you have a woman in your house and nobody a disrespect your woman and you stand up there, you're not a blood clot man. Any woman where you put in your house I take care of, come take care of blood clot Yannick. So you not make no man blood clot disrespect your woman where you have in your bumbo clot house. Cause me put Yannick in my house and they take care of her, so that means that she's my fucking wife. So me not allow no pussy for disrespect my wife. Suck out to the mother with no orange mother. Brawling. No chat behind that. No apology. Suck out to the mother with no orange mother brawling. Me I go stand up for mine. Yannick no come on life, come beg. She no trouble nobody. She no do none of that. She not in a mix up. We are not a TikTok couple. We are a real fucking couple. Me and Yannick no plan skip for come take no money. She go work every day. All of me say Yannick stop work. She get up and go fucking work every day. You must time I beg Yannick to stop work. Yannick stop work. And she get up every fucking day. You see him.
I wish choose that now, people. When they tell me I wish choose that. Because nowadays, you know, you have some new sneakers will come out, you know. Like even the Asics them. The Asics them are not new, you know. A long time them they come out, you know. You see me I say, but since the Balenciaga them come out, you know, and them are sell some type of sneakers will resemble the Asics them for how much money the Asics them put out some new sneakers where them look ugly still, you know what I mean? But them are world prices. You see me I say, so back in the days people who don't wear them the sneakers there, but now them are wear them, so the sneakers are real dog at that, but maybe a nice piece of money feed. You know what I mean? Cause them make some look ugly sneakers, but them are world price. You see me I say, let me know my people, let me know if I that team attack or what. So make watch some more, cause Blamdem mother look good in her. I know say she not go wear no foolish. You see me I say, cause she look good. Young and look good said we. Is it?
We and go work. Because a woman may want her own things and not depend on me. If me go buy Yannick a bag for 5,000, Yannick buy me a watch for 10. So So me no want no boy feel like they can disrespect. When time your blood clot, mama in a party we a puss crep. Go suck your mother fame alone no carry. Go take care of your mother with your mother puss crep shoes. So now come go like you know one blood clot disrespect man. You never see Yannick in a puss crep yet? You never see my blood clot woman in a puss crep yet? Go suck out to the real mother where you whore. And don't disrespect my woman. No boy. I'm telling the boy if you go suck out to the real mother too. On a real mother. Suck out that. Plain. I vex you no vex you can't get me to beat me up boy. I'm just in my house. I wish someone wish what they are. Hear them now. A mattress for you. Am I mattress? Someone wish that. So if Yannick a mattress, she get everything what she want. Suppose she did that with pascapedic. Me would have mad. Yannick said if you just want mattress, I am mad me so. Suppose you was a pascapedic. Suppose you was a pascapedic, man. You would be going, I would be going nuts. I will be going cuckoo. I mean, what are they? I will go cuckoo. I will be going cuckoo puff. No boy to my family. No boy. No boy. And if you don't feel how me feel today, I just so. If you don't fuck on yourself later on, come on. Cause guess what? You don't have address. Address is just an address. Remember, so no love party. Pre that. And everything started because of X6. If you want blood clot X6, so you go dance. I take Yannick take away blood clot X6 make it start. Cause none know where it start. Yannick, me tell you how it start. Yannick buy the blood clot X6, give me. And the X6 brand new Yannick have 30,000 mileage from our truck. And Yannick go to a store one day and see such man woman in her truck and she said, oh, did I buy you the truck for everybody to drive it? And me say, if you feel some type of way, go and take the truck. And Yannick take back the fucking truck. So at this cost everything. Yannick feel some type of way, so Yannick take back the fucking truck. When Yannick take back the truck, and it cost everybody to stop come on my yard and everybody start molestation. No argument, no go on, no war, no go on. Yannick go to Bravo and see such man woman in her truck. And she come home and she said she need the fucking truck. Because she buy the fucking truck. So, you don't feel like, oh, we in a war, and Joe dead, and we get shot. No, a Yannick take back the fucking truck. So, me not care what none of you come talk about, bro. Big man thing.
Make a couple of them for you.
So you not can go on like nobody do them nothing. A bad mind and corruption in their heart. Bad mind and corruption.
Ronnie, I know where yourself. You see how I reach far with my dunceness. Sorry, I'm son. And everybody can bright. Go over there, son. I appreciate it though.
Yeah, and everybody can bright, my boy. You watch me, watch me, boy.
E-P-E-I.
At this, they don't like me for, bro. Only thing they can hold people with an argument, bro. Only thing they can hold people with an argument, dog. They can mix up the angriness with laughter. They gonna get laughter and angriness. At this, they don't really like me for. Bro, you know, say me I want the toughest thing from the app, otherwise from Swissley, bro. Bro, you know, say if me and Swissley decide to come back for this app, bro. If me and Swissley decide to come back for this app, there's nobody can take me from this app. If me and Swissley decide so we coming back for this blood clot app, there's nothing can hold me from this app. Me say it again. If me and that look you to them Swissley say we coming back for this bumbo clot app, brother, there's nothing can beat me. Come here, try telling this, dog. There's people on this app will love entertainment more than blood clot mix up. I true when them attack they mix up me and Swissley in their live. Cause I know me and Swissley their live I do we fuck with me. No, they don't have views. Me I tell you that people. Any of them start they mix up me just like wine my blood clot waste like what they used to do. And watch and blood clot see. And we're gonna give them a run for them pussy clot money. Me gonna listen to what my blood clot woman say. My woman say stop toe to toe with them and go take back your blood clot place. And that Yannick said to me yesterday, stop toe to toe with blood clot them and go run back it up. Are your place? Are you what to do for them pussy over here so for them to come style you? We are bring back your fun, Swissley. And if you don't want to bring it back with me, alone will take on the whole of them over here, so. And bring back your blood clot fun, my friend. Yeah. And some juvenile take one time they like them walk, you go scale over them, but some pastor walk, you go see left now laugh them life, don't want to keep it. Yo, I'm here, drop mic. That me I tell you that. Hey! As I was saying now, boy, pepper seed, me cuss off your blood clot earlier, you know. And I go still blood clot cuss you again tomorrow if me feel like it. Cause you should have posted me address you're active. And then on the delete it. First of all, you should have post. Pepper sauce post it. And that me go to Yannick yesterday, I cuss Yannick say, stop say pepper sauce post it. Yannick say pepper sauce post it. And delete it right after. So me go over there, cuss me woman say pepper sauce no post it. Yannick approve. And people come this morning and say, and then he remove it. Yannick tell me say, and then he remove it. Just like active. Yeah, tell me. Yannick, tell me. Father Rush text him. See it? So anybody who not protect me and mine, I'm warring against you guys. And facts is the facts is. Because me have to protect my family. Bro. Fun and joke aside, dog. When me tell you this, bro. Fun and joke aside. Looking at me eye, dog. You see, wish for my little son asleep. I'm a stepson. I'm a woman. I'm a mother-in-law. And this me call home. I say if you not threaten me home, it's only right to stand up for my home as a man. So if you don't feel like me going over here and afraid or giddy, no. It's gonna be a war around here. It's gonna be a storm. Cause me now me gonna get inside. You're not gonna kill me outside and no move. And I'm willing. I'm willing. I'm willing. Zai now bury me. Me now go make Zai come and they cry over me. Me can't did it to live for my son or do anything for my son. Me now make Akila grow up fatherless. Me now make blood clot Amir grow up fatherless. Or Azir, you have to kill me standing around at this bomber blood clot. Cause me now run. Me now run. And me now make none of them make my family them feel afraid. So you have to kill me around at this. And that's a facts. And why you put up the address afraid to come around here? Anybody who know about badness know. You put up the address because if you did have the address, you that step a long time for yourself. Because after me get shot, you have the address. And none of you never step. So you put up, if you put up people life in a danger, suck out to no matter brawling. So me, now move.
Hey, there is no wrong, no right in a badness, in a war. Anything goes. You see me I say? Alright, so World Dawg being who he is, him address leak and whatever, that it's a messed up thing, but I saw it go when you're a person at it and you go low and them go lower. But mother advise him say, my G, you know, live in a secure neighborhood, at least me don't know. If you live in a secure neighborhood where there's security and whatever and the officers them there close by, well, you know what I mean, you can't stay which part you're there. He must say him now move. Well, him not have to move still, you know. But you have to take the necessary precautions because everybody know where him live, you know. And as a person where you would have say popular, a celebrity, whatever you want to put it, famous, you know what I mean? It's like you have to take better precautions. The people them, like the rappers them and actors, actresses them will live up in some far up neighborhood. Them not for worry for them I just leak to that. But like you know we live in the place where man can just zoom and drive come there and do whatever. You have to worry in a way, you see me? And the youths them did it and the grandmother did it and you know what I mean, it mess up still, you know, people. Blamdem shouldn't leak youth are just still, you know. But you know what I mean, I said go as me said before, like there is no wrong and right when it come to them type of things. So let me know what I think. We're gonna watch some more and then move on to the next.
Move from right which part of the day. He going one up. after. What me do? You crazy? Me stand up around here, so. And Yannick sleep good at night time. Cause Yannick knows your man and a pussy. No. And remember me telling the dog, if all if I no uno, I uno. Uno no smart in a foreign. All if I no uno, I uno. Just know that. I mean not care who I hear this or who want translate it uno. But once me come to my family, I'm gonna dead to my family. So all who tell me say hero, you're going too far or this, I'm gonna go far and the maximum way. Cause my address is there where my son sleep. So fuck on yourself. So all who are saying Dominoes, I'm part on the street for see if we are come out for it. I'm gonna come out for it. I'm not hide where nobody live. I'm gonna make sure I sit down with my woman and I say, baby, you need to have to kill her before they kill me. They have to hurt me before they hurt. No. Yes, baby. You have a man, you don't have a pussy. Your baby father is a pussy, you have a man. A man you have in your life, no. So who can stand up for their woman like me stand up for my woman and say me enough, go suck out to no mother too. Brawling.
You hear me?
Brawling, go suck out to no mother. Brawling. So, when you feel like me over here afraid, I'm going to run. I pack up my family and turn paranoid boy. I got Texas. Hey downtown. I wanna hang downtown to the old road. I protect my family with everything in my body. Everything in my body. And let me say this again, bro. This is just me. A month now, you see me a wallet cause them a call my name. But when you say family involved when I have nothing to do with internet, somehow you see me run baby joke. I don't know I pussy all over here. I see them run baby joke and over the comment section and laugh. Bro, baby off limits, bro. Baby off limits, bro. Stop it, I'm here. Baby off limits, bro. Woman off limits. But when me soon go for woman and go for baby, it's only right for me fight back. Because if you not having no intention to hurt my family and put my family in that danger, it's only right to put back on yourself, put back on that danger too. Me believe in an eye for your eye, a tooth for your tooth. So if you there around yourself, I feel like I can put my family in a danger. I know what I do under quiet. We know what I sleep too. We know everything. But guess what? Hey, be shaky. Be shaky. And that's the law. So if anybody who they on the live want to take that address and play games or run joke with no life, not car, not vehicle, not bike, run joke with no life and feel like it just a go like that. Gonna make a sad mistake. I'm here, yeah. Okay, I'm coming. Feel like a joke thing. No joke. Cause me I go promise you know, my family come first. I have a TikTok family, yes. But when I lock this live, I have a family that I attend to in the house. And my family in my house come first. Where come and gone? Oh, my family come first. So if anybody feel like me I go play idiot and act like a fool, I'm not. Just know that my family come first.
No.
Rosealee used to check for me. And somebody, I said something on the live. And somebody go give Rosealee the message wrong. And from that Rosealee turned against me. The people them a beat Rosealee on the internet a bring her down. And I said to Rosealee, say, it's nothing to take a week off and farm back yourself and see who is real. And somebody go give Rosealee the message totally different. And she turn on her live. Big up yourself, Apple. Thank you so much. She turn on her live and she class me.
Hey, people who don't remember the situation because Real Dawg and Rosealee to fall out, and the situation with when I think Real Dawg did I tell him say him not to make, I think Blamdem did a desire or something like that, and him a tell her say, yo, you can't make them boy they this yo. You have more than enough money, you can take a time off a TikTok and Ray. Who tell Real Dawg to go tell the queen of Tops and Roses, say, if you take off for what? Why you not take off, Real Dawg? They say one piece of something, people. So that him a talk about, you know what I mean? So, make watch some more.
In most way, she didn't listen to the message that I send to her. I said, the people them are class you, and you are better than them. You have more than them, but probably you don't show it. And somebody give Rosealee message totally wrong. And she come and she disrespect me, say, hero, if me top do this and top to that, what this would have be? And only thing I said is, the internet are this year and I have so much respect and love for you. Take a week and see who is real to you. And come back and draw a bigger thing. And they don't show you what I have said. Then come to you and explain it to you a wrong way. So you know, you not take 2 and 2 together and say, I never disrespect Hero yet. Why Hero would have disrespect me? Because
What?
Tommy Edie is my right hand when it come to TikTok. Chevy is my right hand when it come to real life. Like anything go on. Let me put it out there. When it come to TikTok, Tommy Edie is my right hand. She control me on TikTok. She and Denise, point blank out there. Let me tell you that. When it come to TikTok, Tommy Edie control me. Because she really want the best for me. So I will listen to what Tommy Edie say and Denny say. I will listen to what KK say too. I will listen to what Sweet Cherry Baby say. I will listen to what Ginny say. I will listen to Chevy. But Chevy, if me say a war, Chevy is going to fucking war with me.
Right now?
And I that me love with my fucking sister. But if a peace, Chevy is gonna say peace. Mums, if me say war, a war. But if me say peace, a peace. Not say I love them more than you guys. But remember, Mika, Chevy was here before I have all of this. I remember when I did hungry in my backyard and piece of Mika used to buy me. Mika, now your time now. Go on over there with your man. I'm going to show you something now. I know your time. I get mad. Blood clot. Me just try to show you say. I'm there saying to Rosealee, say, stop. You're bigger than this. You turn on your live and you have how much views. Them people they just try to get views off of your name. And me hear the people them in the comment section attack to Rosealee and I say, Hero didn't say nothing bad. But through Rosealee ignorant, dark, she not listen because she see the views. Like no, 7,000 views. But Rosealee, deep down, I was protecting you from telling you, say, sometimes some things are going on the app. You don't have to stroll. Yesterday, and swear on my life, I didn't open TikTok one time. I go on Instagram and Facebook and Marketplace. Let they talk what they want to talk. Let they do what they want to do. That was me there explain to you. But somebody give it to you in a wrong way. So you feel like, oh, no. Hero box food out of your mouth. Hero box food out of your mouth. Hero now why you come for life for 1 week and this and that. Real people is always going to be with you. Now care if you take 2 months off I app, 3 months off I app. Once they're real to you and love you, their loyalty is with you. Their loyalty is with you. I'm here, stop it nice, the man. I'm talking to people, them, the man. Sure. I mean, where's my blister? I beg you water to my boss. Liar, can't cry, big up yourself. I mean, calm down, me do that. Easy, calm down. Alright, when me done, I talk to you. The loyalty is with you. I look, yesterday, Swiftly text me. That I'm my son. Here was Swiftly text me say, Father, if you move, ask Swiftly what me text him. No Betty milk. And he laughed. I said, you don't take nothing serious. I said, no Betty milk. Rep. No Betty milk for real. You know if you know, bro. You know, come together and farm this team. You know, now go nowhere. Sometimes, everybody open on the face every day. Sometimes we have to take telling from sometimes some people outside are looking in. I never put on your party at Rosalie or do nothing for you. But me never disrespect you. All I say is, take 2 couple days off and do this and you turn against me. But I can tell you this. Me and Aton attack. I swear Aton do the other day. When the dog had him and Atto exit alive, I respect you for that, Atto. I respect you for that. You know, they are entertain like Slime and the rest of them. You exit alive. Ivany, I respect you for that. You exit alive. Triple, CC, I respect you for that. I respect you all on for that. Some people on this app not really busy about nobody's life or safety. They're all busy about rose and kind. But me and Atto not talk, but me can't tell us I respect you for that. Cause me and no plan peace, you could have stayed there and promoted my address more. But you're in our file live. So Atto, I respect you for that, Atto. I may still not for plan peace. I mean I look no friend. But at any idea, me respect you for what you do. Ivany, me respect you. Jayden, me respect you. Me respect you for what you do. Yeah. But me just make you know, say, big up on yourself. Me respect for what you do. CC, me respect for what you do. You know? Yeah. Yeah, bro. Where you to sing a song Donkey? Damien. Yeah. Me respect what you do to Damien. Cause I join Damien to live. And Damien cut. Me respect you to Damien. You could have stayed there and entertain for views. And you move. You see me? A Slime did it, all of them did the same way.
Alright, you see the whole situation there what did happen with Weh Dem and Rosealee. The situation there, Weh Dem said for this, Blamdem. Him never really said for no way or anything go at Rosealee. Him a said for this, Blamdem. You see me I say? But, you know what I mean? Rosealee just take it away. And Rosealee do what Rosealee does. You see me I say? So, we can watch some more people and then we move on to the next.
I'm not talking no respect for no. But no, as big man could have said, dog, I want to do a move. All I want to do it for kind. I don't care what nobody wants to say. Just so. Yes, Tommy, I just so. Just so. Everyone else do it for kind. I'ma just laugh. Nobody else, instead of nobody no look on saving a life more than taking a life. Everybody excited to take a life nowadays more than save a life. Just pray. Me and Rika when I talk. Me and Rika upon her live, of course. Me, they upon Rika live with my fake page. I lie, we I tell? Right. Me, they upon Rika live with my fake page. And Rika cuss out the wall of blood clot, you know, me and Rika no talk. And Rika over there say, sake of views, you know, over there say one president, one this and one that. You see if me catch some of you, bro. Me no want to shoot on you now. I want to ratchet me take and shoot ball in now and win slow. Cause I put a little baby in a danger. You see, who know put baby in a danger? You see, if I did me alone live here and Yannick, we are big people, because I say, alright. But you know kids in the house, I want to promote the kids them to get hurt. Cause anything can happen. Uno people not for dead fast, uno for dead slow. Wicked. Uno for dead slow. Cut off all on the ears and make uno bleed today. Tomorrow cut off on the next ears. Dog, me sorry me a fucking ear sometime. I am sorry. Cause the brutal things me do to no boy a youth. Brutal. Me da brutal to no brother. Me sorry me a ear. So when the pussy feel like me get one shot and the thing gonna slow me down. Me sorry me a ear. Cause me a tell on this youth, if me a never ear and all, threaten me home like this. A problem me going in a blood clot foreign. But I'm easy to find. I am easy to find. I am a public figure. But anyway, me I never hear or no do that. Me flush out to the bomber clot from daylight. From the pussy till blood clot. No. I'm gonna lay down a jail. Me I tell you that. Me I tell you no brawling. Anyone they do that and me a blood clot Yannick alone in there when me pick them. And me no name hero. And don't have a name. And you don't know me. Me start fight and kill on the blood clot from no pussy. Because me pick in a house when I not even walk yet. A 3-year-old youth in a house. So I don't feel like what I do. I don't feel like when I face me, I put face in my heart. You just get me evil more. You just get me torment more. So if you don't feel like me, I go stand up and make you hurt my family them over this. Go suck out to no real mother. Go suck out your whoring mother. You go suck your whoring mother. Go suck out your whoring mother every minute. And me can see you face to face and tell you this. So all who get up address and give address. And before I start give address, so no need to put on yourself in some clothes and stop where you go now. Suck out to no mother. I ain't idea. I mean alone over here saw fight on. You never see nobody a turn on their live yet, otherwise one stranger. When you see no content creator turn on their live and say, otherwise one triplet they say, oh them do wrong, or what no want do. I mean alone a fight my war boy. I mean I look for no sorry for. Because I am a man, a family man, going to stay 10 town down and protect my family with every blood clot breath in my body. Let me show you how people wicked. Such man and such man. Me see such man call and say I'm gonna rob such man. And when such man no get you robbing, such man go turn friend with such man. And such man go hear back and start screw. When such man see say this go on, such man and such man start par. So this a man when it plan for rob you. Him not plan for rob you again because you don't feel like you don't want build crew against me, boy. Go suck out to the real bumbuckland mother. Suck out to the real mother. I mean now stop telling that because I want to get mad, you know. I want to get mad. I want to get angry. I want to get up on yourself and get mad and come on here. We going on a ship in my favorite rocket ship to the moon and back. Little Einstein. Yo, let me tell you this. Rima. Let me tell you this. I'm going to tell you this straight. 1 times 1, 2 1s 2, 3 3 4. Easy, fucker yo. Wait. 1 1 1s, 2 1s 2, 3 3 4 4 4 5 5 5 10. Blood clot don't know. Timmy stress out but no come. 10 and 20. Your mother belly empty for year 2 centi. Blood clot. All you want to then call TikTok boss you. When me say you disrespect me that you turn on live and come talk about me rate you from nowhere. Go suck your mother. I rate you from nowhere. Me not beg no ratings from none of the boy. Go suck back your mother. You know how long more I tell you to? Or do I rate you? Did I tell you that I rate you? You ever see that I follow up with the stuff? Go suck back your mother, batty boy. I disrespect me because I put food on my bumbuckler table. I may come and defend her. Say the boy don't like that suck out to no mother back. I'm brawling, me do things pussy. I just hold me cup till the full and it run over. I just go on everything. When I come talk about pussy, do I look like I rate you? Do I look like I... Me never beg none of no strength over you. Go suck on no mother because none of no bigger than me over you, sir. Brawling. And me come defend. And anyone on the ramp with anybody in the X gang, me come defend them. But do I rate you? And I miss triple make some time in this one too. A triple me know this enough on the boy. So I don't feel like you can't come style, man. Me not tell no styling for no. Suck out to no mother brawling. You know me G? Alright then. I go and hold it same way, man.
Yeah.
Nah, chip man. But I have a vibes, man. So I don't feel like you can't take no 1-on-1 and 2-on-2 and put together and come diss me. Cause people when me super on TikTok, you beat people when people down. You only try when people up. You only try. See what here? Me and Swiftly so. On a tear. On the claim so on the tear me and Swiftly apart. So somebody else do not try offer right now. Where's song name? You can go suck your mother right up and down, round and round in a migger.
We are seeing after this. I behave so. If you remember good when this thing happen, you realize say a march with them and world dog no fear have them energy. Then the energy no fear push off for nobody. You understand? You no fear even open your mouth and talk about gunshot youth. You know if you promise nobody gunshot, you know if you threaten nobody.
So you shot these lads in your hand or a gauge him?
You don't get no shot, lie material.
If you shot the land in your hand, you know, the sling then not going to make no sense one hand, you know.
We're like a liar, you know, people them when you know nothing about gunshot being trick, you know. I people them not really
get gunshot fly to your hand, that not possible.
Oh, gunshot fly to your hand. Look on it, and the hand look different from the hand I mouth. Look on the finger them, it look different from the hand I mouth.
And the hand with that swell to a gunshot poison, you know.
Hey, she was the first person come say this, you know. So I want to know if I choose Shibana the attack. I hear them people here say the same thing. Say him not get no SH0T. You know what I mean? And me think say him would have show it by now. Say you are right, yeah, so him never show it. Say alright, yeah, so him get SH0T or whatever. All the people them are saying him not get none. You know what I mean? So it look like him not get no SH0T for real. Let me know what you think, my people. Can watch some more, cause Blamdem I go come on the live.
All you sing that them with that swell.
Guys, wanna give her a clap. Give her a clap.
I got my finger with every day, so me have to know them thing.
He fell over a wall, but when he called the police, he said, I got shot, shooting. You want to hear again, Zimba? And it's them type of people, you're the people them love the friend killers.
Alright, so him fall over, him go over a wall, you see?
If
he jump over a wall, he are not supposed to broke. Why the hand in a normal girl instead of if he in a plaster polish?
Never get shot. He never get no shot on a ball. They on video. Call the police. Them so glad the police then release the call.
When shot lodge in a you or when he gauge, you are two different things, you know.
No shot no catch youth. No farmer shot no catch him. If you check good, no shot no catch him.
Yeah, but some people don't understand. So when bullet gauge is different from when he shot lodge in a you know. Enough people don't know that.
Look on him man and look on him and them.
So probably a gauge him.
He hand when having a sling, the hand look even swell up to you. Look at his hand. Me need to zoom in up and make you see say the two hand them have the same color, the same look. Me need to do that and show no. The man not get no shot, the man a liar.
I will Simba forever.
5:30 new details in a deadly shooting outside of Duncan in Miramar.
Police now releasing the identity of the victim as we now hear the calls to 911 after shots were fired. Local 10's Kristen De La Rosa joins us live from the scene of the very latest.
So when all this went down around 3 o'clock in the morning yesterday, police got a ton of 911 calls from people in the area. One of those 911 calls came from one of the victims who was shot at and his friend. Take a listen.
What's the address of the emergency?
One of the victims in an early Monday morning shooting in Miramar calling 911. Police flooded by 911 calls from neighbors about a hail of gunfire in the area of Miramar Parkway and Southwest 62nd Avenue.
Okay, tell me what happened.
I have a lot to do with the gun, you know. It depends on the gun. I must say the gun powder different, you know. So it depends on the type of gun that them used to.
Look at you see them people we are gonna talk. Them are some little bumbleclad idiot. Where Dawg show them no bumbleclad scar. Where Dawg show them no wound when get shot on go suck on the mother and see so no idiot. On see so no a fool. On another sense all I know him can't show no way shot fly through. High power rifle in SH0T team. High power rifle where? Where is the broken bones?
You know, go look, see, no, do not go watch dirty play now. You there, so I go chat about where you take shot for a girl. Me a soldier, gun me angle every day and bullet. What the fuck you tell me, say? Somebody can black Tina. But I never look walk.
Oh, that bitch there. Bitch, they go find her husband. We are suck on her. Lift up. Lift up Tina and go search for your husband. Come on, man. World Dawg know say him never get no shot. Blamdem come and tell you say man no get no shot brawling. Swissley and the whole of them know say World Dawg never get no shot. A man no get no shot. I man fire how much shot and when the man then clap back at Joe day night. He run jump over a wall. Fire how much shot. Pan the man them and when the man them bacon back how much shot him jump over a wall if him blood clot friend for dead. After him carry youth out time, and of them friend killer you don't want come over here so come give praise. Me understand why no found no batty boy feel like say you can have the strength or courage to come in my box gun defend the batty boy, you know. Because no found no blood clot friend killer too. No found no that they are 8 up on no friend them because of no bad mind and envy. Uno sit down and stretch out to no hand them to no friend them. And when the man then come in and have them thing to deal with and can't go no little thing. Uno prove no bumbleclad friend them. And uno man. And uno. Oh uno. No found no talk about no friend and uno never bumbleclad can get a thanks set. People can't tell you no thanks set and uno never look from people. And when uno can't get it from people, uno blood clot betray them. Worse than the man them in a Jesus time, you know, worse. Cause you literally sell out for nothing.
You see, man, man, brother. And the man have him as a genuine bro. And he set up a man life. We always go kill the man. The man have him.
Anytime you hear them call your brother Coco, just know so them boy.
Hey, people. Me really I look on this thing here now what them person are saying or what a girl are saying. Him and woulda something woulda wrong with him and my people. Him and woulda somewhat deformed in a way. If him did get SH0T for true. Come to think of it. You know what I mean? Because the way how him say him get SH0T now, him say I want little piece of sitting all on the blouse and skirt and you know. You see me I say? And him have to hold it up. Yo, World Dawg lie still it up until him come and show where him get SH0T. I don't believe him get none. Tell me what you think, my people.
They are pray your girl for fuck your girl. Or them boy they are pray for bumbleclad killing. No make no boy calling a brother. If you and him no come from his same mother. Make them go away.
Well, if a friend killer they have real man.
Take one them charge him for Joe murder so him goodly do time. He need to do time. But he look like he don't want to do the time. He rather dead car. Why you there make so much problem? You understand?
I know me can't understand. I youth them have youth other than foolish son and they say they love their youth. So no can't love no youth and want them for fatherless. They feel love their youth and want them youth grow without a father.
Love what kind of
you come blessed, brother.
Brother, World Dawg no love nobody but himself. The man is selfish. The man selfish and bumbleclad, deceiving. Look how much time he come here come go on with fuckery and the people then let it slip. What not gonna do make this slip too? Everything you not gonna just make slip and go by count and
but listen up, put fun and joke aside, you know. Somebody if he be a bigger person now, you know, cause it really get out of control. Somebody have to be a bigger person now. Before we late.
Who you think I gonna be the bigger
But
person?
the last time I was heard, so.
But you know, you say Blamdem. Me hear say Blamdem apologize to him, you know.
So me a while ago, me not see.
Then me not see it neither, but where you hear I go on differently. You know, hear the blood clot. You know, hear my threaten pops. And I promise so much people go and chat and I tell people go suck it, your mother. World Dawg look like him want to be changed to you.
That's it, no. Who that really follow all Pops? No, Pops is a little bit the record like in last year. You follow Pops, your words and Pops, you know?
You know, the same man blood clot coming like.
Pops is a Pops are a little bit where young and naive.
Angela go look a man. Go look a man and come up with go look a man, go big girl. Go look a fucking man. Cause go see you eat up and for your friend them. You come over here defend this big dirty friend killer. All that smart they will say exactly. Black that bitch there to suck your mother and lift up half of this. Lift up one blood clot president. Lift up bomber clad. The
man friend analyze and the man not talk about that the man come and give problem.
Bomber clad president. Look how much problem the man have. You know see man all a train of pops.
What you know, listen up, okay, I'm done to them, man. You know, a night become like, me just make him go on every day. And the king go on every day, every day. And if it when me come, in career done for man, they are coming and me, wait, man. Watch, man, I'll myself, me a show, man, when me come think to me. When me done with him in career, done, me I go write down everything. Me I come with the list of man, then me chop him. Me there with Yannick, with them pitch up, with her. We done with them bomb buckler thing.
Send me two of them, now me can't get two. I want two of them, you know.
Right now, me not run out the whole ammunition. Them come over there, me go add them. Me can't add them, man. You don't come over there. Me follow you. They can't come over there, come get a car done and fine. Me a carry him done. Me done with him. Me say I can go 10,000 people. Me I go 15,000. Yeah, man.
See him.
15,000 people. Me not talk. Yeah, man.
No rub him out. No rub him out. From 2 years ago, morning come down. Rub him out.
When me done with him, I right.
Rub him out.
President
so I put some notifications so I can watch.
Yeah, man.
Rub him out. If you got to get shot, what yeah, and come back and come into Batman now. The shot
kill. Because the man not get no shot alive,
when he get the can in and Bumbuckler, the rapper send him to a lion. He happy. But no rapper go live with me, my this rapper.
But that's the same man. He come like them bitch, the man can't.
He come like a shitty dan.
I think the prostitute you call him, you know.
He come like a shitty dan. Man shitty dan, I see him.
Prostitute.
Then I hear me tell them, man shitty dan, I see him thing. Then can't. When nobody when nothing go their way, then can't don't teach. I mean, I don't talk, man. I mean, I give them up, man. When we come back later, hear mama, go and do it, coach.
Yeah, man, my boss, me there, go and big up yourself in a president, guys. You know, see it. I'm president, blood clot playground, this, you know.
Like I said a while ago, someone about look
the president, them love, man. I'm president, them love. Later, bring down.
I got turn on notification and stuff. I can't miss this, because I want to see this, man. You know, I can chat too much more while, man.
Why never have so much energy where the year when you were dead? Oh, you feel defend pussy when your friend dead and you never stand up for your friend. You never even try to hear their blood clot from family.
If you always take into consideration, take a bitch to block a man and take a bitch to control a man and that a bitch have a strong group for him, you know. I don't know what kind of boozle that a pussy have in a bomb boss. Listen, yeah?
Look at money make World Dawg go on, so yeah. And money blood clot make World Dawg defend the girl, so. No more than money make World Dawg do this. World Dawg not do this in nothing else. Animal, look at come back off I up. Look how pretty that can have too much infection and he suck out too much infection out of Yannick pussy. And Yannick fuck how much man. And we no see her go on and expose pretty than girl or in wife. We no see her expose pretty than mama or nothing. Oh, I president you have strength for because I'm a trend in a Jamaica and he live in America. Yeah, come down to the so good boy. Long time from your little boy, you dance up and wind up in your wig. You think we know you have a boy long class.
All what the bad screen record, you know. You know what? Come off.
Remember handout grow eyes. Make a reason. Remember handout grow your baby. Yes. Remember is handout good, that little boy. So for you, really stand up and tell somebody don't give anybody anything. Mind you stop the blessing for salvation arm way in a dog pen. Mind you stop the blessing. Mind you bite the hand where I feed you. Yeah, my always stop out and give me for true Beyonce. I never tell a lie, she never tell a lie, but that part I'm always a class star baby. And why shouldn't I? Remember she trouble me. Remember she trouble me from before she breathe. So anything extra we should bring in a props. Anything extra we should have a props. If our mother didn't walk beside her at the class star dirty moment too. And if our sister or brother I would, yes, when 22.
Alright, the people, me just want to know, I want to ask a question. Where them get that style from? Where them a cuss the little picnic them? Tell me where them get that style from. Shibada still, it don't look good for you cuss a person picnic. Big man thing. I'm not going to explain why it don't look good. But, ivany is an exception. You know why? Because ivany cuss people picnic. But, ivany never cuss no picnic for Shibada. So, me not think yet Shibada have the right to cuss ivany picnic. None at all. You see me I say, apart from being disrespectful, you know what I mean? Me can't say other things but me not gonna say it. Right? But on a level, you know what I love to say? All of these persons on TikTok, whenever them have them differences, leave the youth them outside. Big man thing. You not go harm them now, nothing here. It just shows say you have nothing about yourself. There's nothing about you. You are the lowest of the scum of the earth. And that it show when you don't cuss people picnic. You understand? People deal with you, yes, because on a personality on the media and something. But me I tell you, say them not like it. As much as them chat to you, the people them with morals and standard, you know what I mean? Them not have much to do with you. Me I tell you that. Because what some other people.
20 did come. I never classed this girl from 2017, 2018, 2019, 20. You see 2020 when she sided with Batman. And talk about oh she ever take down my page and all that. From this so me I look for Jamaica for liquor and all it. And from this so yeah. We don't care about everybody want cause twet baby. We don't care about that party because them not do nothing wrong. When them a report, them not do nothing wrong. So we don't care about everybody want chat people baby or class people baby. When me I say is that of course me a class eyes, I say eyes look retarded, like him out for growth Down syndrome. But me tell you, me never say nothing wrong. Remember cuss where I cuss. Remember cuss where I cuss. I don't care what you want to say about other people pick me now. Me know what me say about your own. Me know how me class your own, the little boy and the dog. Yeah. Me know how me class them. Me know how me class Beethoven, you know. Me know how me class their baby. So you know, if I care my name, you know, if I care my name, I'm not ready. If I don't class you or your child yet, just so you know, the amount of lion can't make me stop Universe Interstellar, the man with the rocket underneath him. No 3D tiger. Nothing can make me stop classing you until I feel like a Jesus Christ alone can make me stop. So when you carry my name and the wrong name, you carry. Oh, I don't care who you are class, I just know some steadfast when I class you and your own. Yeah, that's all I want to know. That's I don't want to know nothing else. Nothing can you go like say, you know, me classing you never hurt you. I don't know some up underneath your skin and in your surgery. I know me not stop. Yeah. I never know say it hurt you that, but me not stop class, you know. Yeah, oh. I'm glad say nobody can pay me for keep quiet. That much me glad for. Nobody can pay me for shh. So when you report, find my pastor. Pastor said, Exactly, money. I be a hypocrite. Nobody can make me stay so. Can me go talk with it on my mind and me can't play hypocrite. Can me no work a market, me no carry basket. Me not put nothing on my head that overlook it. That's only that. Me not put nothing on my head. Not one thing. Everybody and nobody. Me class any big old girl, any big old. And no matter of fact, underneath your stink, you shouldn't even bring forth a baby until you clear up the red eye in your smoke eye. Me not ask you shouldn't even bring forth a baby. Cause underneath you rotten away. So me don't know where you come at. And him always a class my baby. I'm stand up and watch your class you own a baby and call it D man. Until they say you don't want this. You talk say your baby D man. So me don't know what I call the dog. Me don't know what for call it if I chucky. I don't know what to call it if it's chunky. So when I don't come out and not talk, always be careful and remember when I talk say, because I'm the one who shit a road, remember it's the one who step in it. You side with Batman and Batman is here no more. You don't remember what you do. You buy out girl argument and you don't even remember who for argument you did buy out or who and them did a war. See then when you're alone left in the see me go class and class eyes are props in the arguments. Remember you use him for big, so we're gonna cost your gloves. Yeah? We'll class anybody at all. The greatest part about it, me no rosealee and a top star rose make me make Jake scope. Me no rosealee, so you can't come go like say this, I'm a pocketbook and you're threatening. You go suck your mother eye and you go suck out eyes. Yeah? Go suck out your baby. Go name out the little boy where you bring forth. You know you're not to come about me, Ivany. You know you're not to come about me. You know. You know when it comes to you, me no respect nothing what you have. Nothing at all me respect what you have. Not even your lean titty. Me no respect nothing what you have. Me don't know who could have tell me for cuss. Me don't know who could have tell me how to cuss. Me don't know who could have really do that. And how me nurture besides zinc fence, so they can most make it wax and cannon. And more people on the internet come tell me about, no, leave the kid, go suck on a mother, go suck out on a mother. Oh, number one, I don't have one show ticket to sell now. So I have to look for now. I don't have one show ticket to sell. I don't have to look for, come suck my hole, come name out my hole, come eat out my crutches, Ivany. Come near my crutches, you and your two children, lower your eyes. Don't come about me, do not come about me because he's not anybody. So I'm not supposed to dress up and dot my eyes and cross my teeth when me attack. Don't suck out your more Ivany. Your father built casket for your meal for respect, yo. Oh, you're brighty. Remember say you're a gift, you know? It's a casket your father built for you for your birthday. Your daddy did that. If your daddy never want you, you know, see generation curse, I's father never want him. Generation, I'm a respect you. You look your eyes come near my old Ivany. Me I give you more things to go tell Nikki. You know, say I pad my own a bill. She no send me no money gun, she no like Ivany because I come into world dog, she. I come into world dog and Blamdem. So if I be like you, hold on on the money gun. Hold up on the money gun, share, yeah. Yeah, mad. You come back about Nikki, don't give shit about that. Ivany, you don't know my bag. You don't know my bag. Remember, so at the strainer you bring forth and not hustle off. You don't know my bag. You can't stop my bag, Ivany. You can't stop my bag. My bag no come with order. You and your little boy, your dog come suck out my hole. Come near my hole, you and your little boy, your dog. Yeah? The same dog will lick the spot where the little boy walk through. The same dog will lick the portal of entry where ice walk through. Louis know your vagina know how your vagina tastes. Mine him eat ice. Remember Louis eat you from back ways, literally. Yeah? No, it's not lie. No, but it's not I'm mother cause all of this baby girl. The baby innocent, the baby not do nothing, but it's our props, it's our weapon, so we use them as props. The baby not do nothing. And it's not even no one understand when me say that's the cutest and the greatest part about life. So if him eat me that life, I mother tell him. Well, tell him how he really born. Shabba, you know, see, I get old. If I walk through your mother crutches, me not must wrinkle. Yeah, go like your mother front jumpy. If I walk through your mother crutches, I must square up, baby girl. Then I owe you look now, me love. Move from under the filter, and then you walk out the road. And then talk how a shame, old lady. Because you're a little bit unqueer, you know. You're a little bit unqueer, you talk. No. But then the woman go on Spice Live I give her. So you know you tell you the man that have the case. The man that have the case so una alone make RT Bass a friend. RT Bass go suck him mother and give her the little boy and virgin in baton. You know here RT Bass go nyam out him mother. People are una alone to uneducated. Una still not listen to RT Bass every day.
Hey, one thing though, you know, RT, him know how to stay relevant. Me I tell you that much. Him know how to stay relevant. The other day, over Hollywood unlock me see him. See, 2 times me see him over there. You have to pay for them posts, you know. I don't know how much still, but I believe a couple grand. Because I want big platform. See, Hollywood unlock next to the shade room. The shade room next to TMZ. You see me I say, but Hollywood unlock at the least at the 3 of them. So over there, so me see him. The last video me see him with him I give prediction. hey, you see RT boss, me not lie still, you know. I want F up brother, you know, but him know if he market himself. That's all we can say. Me say when me see man over there, I give prediction. Me say watch him blood lad, this a man not easy, you know. But let me know how I think with people. I want some more.
If I'm going for Spice, through Spice and Sassy Santana in a problem. I'm going for Spice. I'm going to get Spice. RT Bass from upstage people like World Dad. Yes. So coming back to your ivany and Ice. Remember me not done with the trail, you know, you, Ice and the Dawg, Louie. Me not done with you. Yeah. Me not ask, you know. RT Bass go nyam out him mother big hole. Nyam out him mother big hole. RT Bass a long time before time batty maker. Batty maker. Nah ask, you know. Him not get no come up on it and mad him. Yeah, him not get no come up and it and mad him. Him a pitch pan. RT Bass can't talk to nobody. Little bit and broke. RT look clothes them always look like them have room for growth. Them clothes them always look like them have room for growth. Me nah ask you know. I una alone say wow. That's why the whole of the baby father look the same. The all of the baby father dressed like dancehall. You know me have to straighten my eye if I find one boy with the dress like dancehall. Me have to straighten my eyes, see me. Everybody just pay, but I can't take them money. Want some man come out in some Karachi suit. One man here dance, we can identify for Jet Li or Jackie Chan, rosealee, the Okosa. Somebody say World Dawg crash right out. World Dawg gonna crash right out. He right off. World Dawg right off. I read some comments. Where some people are saying, about 2 wrongs don't make right. Money, but why am I not saying like if anybody interview me over the world and ask me, what do I think about my people? Remember me have no pick me in about them and ask me what I think about my people. They want to give me Jamaica for carry. Me I say my people, them uneducated dunce, them is a set of nastiness. Them is a set of nastiness. So that me that tell them. Me just say my Jamaican people is a set of dog shit. Yeah, wanna make World Dawg come and use him £8 and I use Blamdem. World Dawg have the court money and hustle. World Dawg hustle court money but yet still Yannick richer than the whole internet. And before World Dawg sit down and go build a case. World Dawg have him court case to deal with, you know. And World Dawg come for get money from the app, you know. When you go like we don't know, say I saw them do it. So him want to show Blamdem underneath the bus, you know? Him want to use Blamdem upper. Yes. So all I want to see them about it hurt and ooh, Word Dawg now about a turn Christian. You must not realize that the boy have money for pay. I saw them do. Word Dawg even try him hardest to get people over favorite by stating that him done with TikTok. I over favorite him thing there. And 2 seconds after, Word Dawg says him now get no gift and no filter. Word Dawg come right back to TikTok and cause one argument. Blamdem a cuss you from Wappy Kill fill up. Blamdem will always cuss people. He will always speech from people. Once you add him to your life, here, listen out for him this year. That is the norm. Blamdem will always class you from now till the morning. But don't let it seem as if you're not hustler for the boy Word Dawg. It's a pity how you're king of the app and if you're hustler for Blamdem will just come. He posted his address, not only cussing Chili. So after that, if he post him address, my baby, who is Word Dawg for Word Dawg address not for post? Oh yes, people are look for Word Dawg for kill him. Then Word Dawg never did a set up Blamdem like how he set up Joe. Word Dawg not put up Blamdem mama. Word Dawg never put up Blamdem mama. For them find Blamdem woman, then find Blamdem. So when you talk about say he didn't only, everybody knows say Word Dawg woman a dog. Oh, it's only a dog could pick up a bitch. Everybody knows say Miss B in front, no Moby and no Florida. You not go like someone woman not take man hard like Miss B, you know. You not go like someone woman not hook out, rep out and dash out. That's why I can't see the hook out part. Word Dawg go low, Blamdem got hell. And the argument done. The whole one make a mountain out of molehill. 2 rounds to make right. Blamdem should have posted him address. What is about Word Dawg address for Blamdem should have posted all of Word Dawg enemy know where Miss Bean live and Word Dawg live. Why you think Word Dawg have the gun them on the table?
Pertaining to what she wanna say still, you see Word Dawg them master internet, you know. Word Dawg and ivany them, you know, them master internet, you know. So anything where them come, it's hard for me to believe what them a say. You see it, but we just give them the benefit of the doubt some of the time. You see me, although me I tell you, say me have them as entertainers, so most of what them say me have it as entertainment. But me no want to think we watch some more.